in this video we are going to see analogies. So let us see what are those analogies. Analogies are nothing but pairs of words with proper relationship. We are going to fill a word which comes with a proper relationship for the given already given pair. Right. First, what we have to do to identify relationship between two words, pair of words. So for that, what we have to do to fill the missing pair of word, have a clear understanding of the words already given and use that understanding to determine how the words are related. Most analogy questions rely on your ability to deduce the correct relationship. First to find the correct relationship between the words and to draw the logical conclusion about the possible answer choices. For example, see here, Sherpa, Tibet and Maasai. So Maasai dash. Okay. So Sherpa, Tibet, Maasai, all these are the proper nouns. Yeah. So Tibet is the country. How this country related to the Sherpa we have to find first. And then this is the country. Obviously this dash, this blank should 90% has to fill with another country only. Right. And then we'll go for this relationship. So what is this relationship? Sherpa is the name of a people who lives in Tibet. And Maasai is the name of a people who lives in Kenya, right? It obviously bicycle won't, desert will not, and mountain. Okay, the Maasai is the people live in mountain. What is the Tibet and mountain related to? So nothing. So like this, you can go for the logical relationship between two words, right? This is what the analogy is. That relationship is not only on this basis, maybe a basis of pair and group, or like antonym also, synonym also, like and come. Let us see here. The relationship that are found in analogy questions falls into several general types. Parttowhole. In this type of question, a pair of words consists of a part and a whole. One word will be a part of the another whole category, right? See, spoke, wheel. The spoke is a part of a big wheel, right? Type and category. These questions are these questions use pairs of words in which one word is a specific type of the general category. For example, orange is the fruit of a general citrus category. So orange is to citrus. Degree of intensity. These questions test your ability to discern nuance of meanings among the pairs of words. For example, shower, monsoon. What is it? Shower is nothing but a light rainfall, and monsoon having bigger rainfall. So shower is light rainfall and the monsoon is a heavy rainfall. They can come like this. Degree of intensity. Okay. Function. It can tell the function of a product. Hammer, which we are using to build a house. So like another pair should be given on the basis of this function. And manner. Shabble is one of the awful mannerism of a walk, a way of walk, a style of walk, right? So here shamble means to walk in an awkward manner. Another pair will be given on the same type of analogy. Symbol or representation. So dove is a symbol of peace. Pairs of words, which word is a symbol of another. So for example, dove, peace. Dove is a symbol of peace. Another can be given as a symbol of something. Action and significance. So why we do an action for another significance? Cry. Why we are crying? Because we are sorrow, right? So cry signifies sorrow. So all these things. And the next one is here. It not only just test the logical reasoning and verbal reasoning. It can test our general knowledge also. See, iron, Fe, silver. Obviously, sodium ella, chloride ella, Ag and K will never come, and Ag, Arjun will come here. So general knowledge also plays a role while doing this analogies. Analogy question that is purely a logical test also. This question is barely seeming unrelated words. The relationship is found in the arrangements of letters also. For example, about. So dash, mend. So near, tear, dismiss will never come. Amend, adding of a here. So amend comes here. So let us see. So here, tureen is to blank and goblet is to wine. So first we will see the relationship between this goblet and wine. So wine here, so obviously this dash is to fill with 90% with any of the drinks only, and this goblet is a product which holds this wine, right? So tureen obviously will be a product which holds any of the drink here. Napkin is not a drink, spoon, cleanser, no. So the rest is soup. That is the right answer. So here the answer is soup. So soup is the answer. A tureen is used to hold soup and a goblet is used to hold wine. The next one, dash is to horse and board is to train. So this horse and so that is train and horse. So board here, an action regarding this train, and here also some action should come regarding to this horse, right? So boarding is nothing but getting into a train. So there should be some action here, that getting into a horse. Stable is where the horse lives, so stable illa. Shoe something we wear. Riding is the action and mounting is the action. So okay, this two anyone will come there. Boarding, I already told you, getting into the train, not traveling in the train. If it is traveling, we can ride in the horse. So at last, mount. Mount is nothing but getting into a horse. So mount means to get on a horse and to board means to get on a train. Miserly, cheap, homogeneous, dash. So miserly, cheap is a synonym. Miserly in the sense it is like very stingy, right? Very cheap, very stingy. So how this homogeneous relates to these words? Like in a synonym way, right? In a meaning way. Homogeneous is not an unkind actually. Heterogeneous is unkind. Homogeneous is not friendly and extravagant. Actually, homogeneous means alike, having same quality. That is what homo, alike. So obviously the meaning is alike. Miserly is another word for cheap and homogeneous is another word for alike. So this is a synonym relationship, I guess. Eder, dash, cedar, tree. Okay, so tree obviously here a proper noun. So here one more noun should come there. A noun, a common noun. Here also one more common noun will come. So let us see the relationship between these two. Cedar is a type of a tree. Okay, and already I told you it is a noun. A noun has to come here. Okay, a common noun will come here. That's very important. And the cedar is a type of a tree, and eder is a type of snow. No, because it's not a proper noun. Plant, eder is a type of a plant. No, a pine, because pine is a particular proper noun, so pine will not come. Obviously, it's a duck. Eder is a type of a duck. An eder is a type of a duck, and a cedar is a type of a tree. It is like a general knowledge based. Let's go for the next. Segregate, unify, repair, dash. So let us see the relationship between these two. Segregate, unify. Segregating, separating, unifying, joining everything. So it is the antonym. So what is the antonym for repairing? Repairing is making good something. So obviously the antonym will be damage. Damage. To segregate is an antonym of to unify, and to repair is an antonym of to damage. So next one, alphabetical, dash, sequential, files. Right. So sequential files should be ordered in sequence. Right. Okay. So the alphabetical, what can be ordered in alphabetical? Short. No. Short itself is a verb actually. Here a noun has to, because files are nouns. So a noun has to come here. Alphabetical order. Alphabetical itself is a order. So order will never come. Alphabetical is a part. No, it's not a part. And actually files are nouns. So noun should come here. Part is not a noun. Short is a verb arranging in an order is a short. So it won't come. So list. So the list. List is something we make in an alphabetical order. Right. So here. Alphabetical describes the ordering of a list and sequential describes the ordering of files. Implement, rule, dash, verdict. Rule has to be implemented obviously. Likewise, a verdict has to be proposed. No. Divided. No. Taught. Verdict cannot be taught. So render at last. So a rule is implemented and a verdict is rendered. Right. So rotation. Earth rotates. It's a movement of the earth. So top. So obviously there should be a movement here. Planet is not a movement. Sun is not a movement. Expanding, top will not expand. It's a movement only, but top will not expand. So finally what is remaining? Spinning. So rotation is the movement of the earth and spinning is the movement of the top. So this is how we have to find the relationship, and then we have to find the missing word. So thank you. If you have any doubt in solving these things, kindly let me know. Go through it. There are so many analogy questions are there online. You can go through it. So kindly let me know if you have any doubt. I will clarify it. Thank you.